In our most recent video, we talked about a very basic meditation technique where we simply observe the breathing. And anytime the mind wanders, we bring the mind back to focus on the breath. That's very simple, and that is the foundation of any meditation practice. With this video, I'd like to show an additional technique that we can use which further develops our mindfulness. And this is the smile. And maybe you wonder, well, what does smiling have to do with meditation? Let me show you. So I'm meditating, I'm observing my breath. Breathing in, breathing out, and maintaining a smile throughout. Now, if the mind has focus on the breathing and on the smile, this smile remains. If and when the mind wanders, that smile is going to fade away. Will look more like, which is not bad, having a dull face, but it's simply a physical reminder that mindfulness has been broken. So smile again. As soon as your mindfulness realizes that the thoughts have come again, the mind has been wandering, smile yourself back into the present. It's that simple. Some people may think meditation is a very difficult process, many special techniques. You need a special guru or a monk. Actually, no. You need breathing. That's key. And in today's video, the smile. Now, when you're meditating after the video, sure, you can close your eyes and relax, but you still feel the smile. When the facial muscles relax, the smile is gone. Now mindfulness has come. I smile myself back into the present inhale or the present exhale, wherever the breath cycle is at. Now there's an added benefit to this, and it's physiological, is that when the facial muscles are smiling, it feeds back to the emotional system of the human and tells the emotions, hey, this guy's happy. Just look at that face. He's sitting there smiling. So, must be something good going on. Now, we don't need good events or lots of money or some great thing happening to smile. We actually just smile as an indication of our mindfulness. So even if I have a flat tire, and I may be cursing, oh, shoot, my flat tire, I might as well smile into it, because I have to fix the flat, whether I'm happy or sad. I still have to fix it. Why not smile into it? Sitting meditation, smiling meditation, is a very, very strong way of developing that positive habit. It's a positive mental habit. It's a positive emotional habit and a very positive physical habit. This leads to positive benefits in our lives because whenever we meet people, generally, if we are mindful, we have a smile on our face. And as you probably already know, that smooths the path for most interactions in our lives. Practice, awareness of the breath, maintaining a smile. If the mind wanders and you lose awareness of the mind, you forget about the smile, that will happen. Just come back. Just come back. Mindfulness will bring you back with a smile, present moment, present breath. So this smile is the root of happiness, not only the result of happiness. And let me say that again. Smiling is one of the sources of joy, not merely the result of joy. So when we make this decision to smile, we've chosen happiness and joy in our life. And watch and see how much more happiness and joy start arising in your life. Mindfulness, smiling. Good on you. Practice 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day. That's my general recommendation for beginners. 20-25 minutes in the morning, another 25-30 minutes in the evenings before it's too late. And watch and see the quality of your mind, the quality of your life. It's up to you. You can do it. I know it. We all can.